some feeling I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same. I try to hide it, I try not to show it. It's crazy, how could it be? I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in, and I'm falling in love. I finally, how it feels when you said hello. I look in your eyes. Suddenly, I feel good inside. Is this really happening?